Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just removed that thing. I arrived home, so I wanted to buy bread and outside is cold, so I had to put that thing on my head. So hi guys, let's talk about let me start by thanking you guys. Thank you for 1,500 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing. You guys make the channel grow, and we like we seeing the analytics curve going gling, 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 going up like that. So I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. You see what is going on right now? The memory is full. Only 24 minutes left of me to record this video. Okay, thank you for 1,500 subscribers. It came sooner than I thought because I was experiencing a slow growth in subscriber count, but from 1,400 to 1,500, it went push, like a skyrocket, whee, like going up. And then, guys, the channel has made its first payment. I am kissing, I am kissing the Google money. Yeah. Guys, we just got paid the first paycheck. If you want details about how the channel went off from the start until monetization, you can comment down below. At least 10 people, if they want that, I can make a video. So today's video, guys, is about me sharing with you my cleaning detergents in my house. Things have changed, so I have new products. You always see me, but I want to combine them and make them one video around them. So I'm going to share with you what I use in my house when I am cleaning. It's in the afternoon. I just came back, so I'm cooking a beef pocky. It's kind of like beef stewish, for cooking. Here is water for tomorrow, and then after getting out this water here, I will be putting another for me to bath. I'm no longer using a lot of like, and I'm using the front camera. As you know, the front camera is not good, so here I'm not worried that much. Thanks God I manage it. So let me share with you my cleaning detergents, guys. So guys, this is how they look, the display on the table, and I have few items from Mr. Sheen, and those ones are for doing what, cleaning my wood. And let's start from the left to the right. Here I have Pledge. Okay, with Pledge I just bought it because sometimes when I go to the shop I wasn't finding the Mr. Sheen, so this one I bought it to keep it for emergency in case I don't have. So this one, give vinegar I use it in my washing, for washing the laundry. And then for the laundry again, I do have a fabric softener, which I always buy a refill. And guys, I'm thinking I'm running out of the fabric softener. I thought I have I thought I have a sachet, like packetanyana yela and then I have Safe washing powder. The reason I bought the Safe washing powder is because it was cheap, and as you if you watch my videos, I always use Omo washing powder. Sunlight, I always use Sunlight washing powder, and sometimes I use Omo. So this was the cheapest. I switch around on the washing powder. I switch around the cheapest one at the moment of going to buy some groceries. Then I have for the floor, guys, when I moved into my house, I didn't have tiles. You see, we have upgraded to tiles, and the cleaning detergent has to change. So as I was going on, and before I used tapete mofasi, and then I was just using the handy and the bleach and a dishwasher. So now I bought this disinfectant floor and all-purpose cleaner. I've been using it. I've never tried anything else except this one. I fell in love with it, but I am willing to try other products and see, because in this world we have to compare, and at the end of the day you have to settle for what you like in after comparing those things. Then over here for my dishes, always I am using a dishwashing liquid. It's a house brand, and I always buy a refill. I always buy a refill. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's an orange color. So I like the fact that it's written antibacterial. They say money back guarantee. Can I return it? But I won't return it. I love it so much. So it goes with a handy goes to the goes together with my Dettol floor cleaner when I mop the floor, and sometimes the stove. Never mind, it's dirty right now. I do it with the handy. So I always buy handy. I have a new one in place right now. Over here I have also the bleach, which is house brand. I always buy house brand because it's cheap. I use this bleach for my dishes, for the mopping, like any other whites that needs to be soaked in the bleach. And I was always using the house brand. I never used any other. I've always used this one, and it goes with different kinds of fragrance. This one is a spring fresh, and I have the one with the red lid, which I'm using now. I can't remember the fragrance, and I always used the lemon one also. So over here I have essence, which is, it's lovely. This one, this is air freshener, whereby after doing my cleaning I spray it in the house. This one I always spray it after cleaning to keep the room so fresh, and it's a cotton fresh. I love it so much. Even the display, I mean the way it looks so beautiful. And yeah, I think I will keep on buying this kind of a product also. Over here I have Mr. Sheen products. I have 3, but it's not only 3, the other one is there also. This kind, this is daily surface cleaner. The reason why I bought this one is because at the time I was shopping, I couldn't find these bottles, and I settled for this Mr. Sheen. It's a 1 liter economy size. They say proven to kill cold and flu viruses. I use it to clean my cupboard. I use it to clean my wood. You can go back to my ASMR video, the previous one that I uploaded on Monday. I use this one, but I think it's inconvenient for the vertical use. Which one is vertical? Which one is horizontal? Okay, this surface here is horizontal. Okay, for the vertical one, so yeah, I'm going to do away with it. I'm no longer gonna buy it, but I love it. And here is the mega mega value 400 ml Mr. Sheen multi-surface cleaner. Is just another flavor potpourri. I have never used this before. I just bought it to test it and see how it goes, but I know it works so well. It's just the different is the flavors. So I've been using this one, yeah, spring fresh, which I really love. And I always do, when I do my Sunday reset, the smell is so nice in the house, guys. The smell is so nice, and I do love the product that I'm using. Comment down below and tell me what products you're using. Which one do you recommend? Which one are working better in terms of dishes, the laundry, and daily use of your wood and other things. the spray for the house to smell nice and all. Yeah, let's talk in the comment section, guys, and let's debate about this product. Maybe we can reach a certain bargain. Now when I ask what's tsamaya ke a tabega ke a tabega honestly. And then here metsi a bela. Let me just switch off. I'm going to cook right now. It's a khale le bonang ke timile go wrong ish ke timile the wrong plate, so I'm gonna switch off. I'm gonna switch on here. So back to the detergent. Comment down below, tell me what you are using, which one do you recommend, which one is working best for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for subscribing and ciao.